Good morning, classmates and tutors. I am going to share my second video about step number 2, where I am pronouncing the text below. Okay, let's go to start. Okay. Two women are at a bar in New York. They are friends. One slaps the other and her behind. The older woman doesn't know this. She doesn't know that her friend slaps her. She doesn't see it. She thinks it is the bouncer. She gets hungry. She goes up to him. She starts to him from behind. The bouncer falls to the ground. Police arrest the woman, but later they let her go. Okay, classmate and tutor and no more. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye.